Okay, let's continue special distribution function, lecture 3 of 4. Okay, first we must describe what is x, and for this question we can describe x as the mark of the biology test. A normally distribute with mean 60 and a standard deviation of 6, so mean or mu equal to 60 and standard deviation equal to 6. X has a normal distribution with mean 60 and standard deviation is 6. If the passing mark is 38, find the probability that a student randomly selected did not pass the test. So we can write as Px less than 38 and draw a picture for this question. This is a x distribution with mean 60 and standard deviation 6, and we can draw 38 and sketch the area that x less than 38, and then we change to standard normal distribution. Okay, z less than 38 minus 60 over 6, we get pz less than negative 3.67. Okay, we draw z distribution with mean 0 and 38 become negative 3.67, and because we use pz greater than or equal to z to get the answer, so we must change our graph to the right side with mean 0 and negative 3.67 become 3.67 because the area Px less than negative 3.67 is the same with area Pz greater than 3.67. Okay. From this statistic table, look at 3.6 in first column and 0.07 the other top, and the corresponding area is 0.0012. So the answer Pz greater than 3.67 is 0.0012. Okay, B, find the probability of the student get less than 65 mark. So we can write Px less than 65, and we sketch x distribution with mean 60 and line 65, and we sketch the area Px less than 65. Okay, we change to standard normal distribution. We get Pz less than 65 minus 60 over 6, and the answer is Pz less than 0.83. And then we draw z distribution with mean 0 and 65 becomes 0.83. Okay, because we use positive z table, cannot read Pz less than 0.83, so we must change to 1 minus Pz greater than 0.83, and we read from statistic table. We look at the first column, the value is 0.8 and the other top is 0.03, so the corresponding area is 0.2033. So we get 1 minus 0.2033, so the answer is 0.7967. C, find the number of students that obtain A if the number of students taking the test is 2000 And to obtain a grade A, a student must achieve at least 75 marks. Okay, and they ask that find the number of students that obtain A if a student must achieve at least 75 marks. So we write in mathematical equation. So we get Px greater than or equal to 75. We draw X distribution with mean 60 and we draw line 75 and we sketch area that greater than 75. Okay, we change to standard normal distribution. Pz greater than or equal to 75 minus 60 over 6 when we get Pz greater than 2.50. Okay, we draw z distribution. We get 0 as a mean and this area Pz greater than 2.50 and from statistic table 2.5 in first column and 0.00 in the top and the corresponding area is 0.00621. We can write 0.00621 as a answer, but the question asks find the number of the student that obtain A. So the number of student obtain A, the area 0.00621 times with 2000 and we get 12.42. So the answer is 12 students obtain A. D. If 90% of the students pass the test, find the passing marks. From the question, we draw the X distribution. Okay, we know at the right side the student will pass and the left side the student did not pass. And area is 90%. So we draw a line in the left side. So the area is 0.9. The left side is 0.1 and we label as K. So from the picture we can see that Px greater than K is equal to 0.9. Okay, we can change to Px less than K equal to 0.1 and we change to standard normal distribution. Pz less than K minus 60 over 6 equal to 0.1 and we draw the Z distribution. We can see that 0.1 is less than K minus 60 over 6. Okay, because we cannot read Pz less than equal to Z, we change to Pz greater than or equal to Z because the area is symmetry. So we get Pz greater than negative K minus 60 over 6 equal to 0.1 and then because the symbol is greater than and 0.1 is less than 0.5, we get from table. Okay, we look at 0.1 and Z alpha is 0.2816. So Z greater than 1.2816 equal to 0.1. Okay, therefore K minus 60 over 6 equal to negative 1.2816. We simplify, we get K equal to 52.3104. So the answer is K equal to 52.